The world is heating up. Why are heat waves becoming so extreme? Imagine stepping outside and feeling as though you're walking into an oven. In Pakistan, temperatures are soaring past 45 degrees Celsius. Across Europe, glaciers that have stood for thousands of years are melting at an alarming rate. In China, roads have buckled and warped under relentless heat. Parts of Europe, dangerous heat waves have forced millions of people indoors, strained power grids, and claimed lives. Across the globe, one question is being asked: why is this happening? Is this simply another natural cycle of our planet? Or are we witnessing the consequences of something far bigger? Today, we're going to uncover why our world is getting hotter, why extreme heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, and what this could mean for the future of humanity. Chapter 1. The Earth is warming. Our planet has always experienced natural climate changes. There have been ice ages and warmer periods throughout Earth's history. But what is happening today is different. The Earth is warming much faster than it naturally should. Scientists have found that the average global temperature has increased by approximately 1.2 to 1.3 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s. That may not sound like much. After all, 1 degree doesn't seem significant. But for an entire planet, it is enormous. Even a small increase in average temperature dramatically increases the chances of severe heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and extreme weather events. And we're already seeing the consequences. Chapter 2. The main culprit: greenhouse gases. So what is causing this rapid warming? The answer lies in something called the greenhouse effect. The Earth receives energy from the sun. Normally, some of that heat escapes back into space. However, certain gases in our atmosphere trap part of that heat. These gases are called greenhouse gases, and the most important one is carbon dioxide, or CO2. Think of these gases as a blanket wrapped around the Earth. A thin blanket keeps us comfortable. But if we keep adding more and more blankets, we become too hot. That's exactly what humanity has been doing. For over 150 years, we've been burning massive amounts of coal, oil, natural gas, petrol, and diesel. These fuels power our cars, industries, electricity plants, and transportation systems. But they also release enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The result? The Earth's heat is becoming trapped, and global temperatures continue to rise. Chapter 3. The disappearing forests. Another major reason for global warming is deforestation. Trees are one of nature's greatest allies. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, every year, millions of hectares of forests are cut down or burned. When forests disappear, two things happen. First, fewer trees remain to absorb carbon dioxide. Second, cutting and burning forests release even more carbon into the atmosphere. It's a double blow to the planet. Forests like the Amazon rainforest are often called the lungs of the Earth because they help regulate our climate. As these forests shrink, our planet loses one of its natural cooling systems. Chapter 4. Why are heat waves becoming so severe? Many people ask, summer has always been hot, so why are today's heat waves different? The answer is simple. Global warming is loading the dice. Heat waves that once occurred every few decades are now happening far more frequently. They're lasting longer, and they're becoming much more intense. Scientists have found that rising temperatures are making extreme heat events significantly more likely. This is why we now regularly hear about temperatures reaching 45 degrees Celsius, 48 degrees Celsius, even 50 degrees Celsius in some parts of the world. The world isn't just warming. It's experiencing more extreme weather. Chapter 5. Why are things melting? One of the most visible signs of global warming is the melting of glaciers. In Europe, glaciers in the Alps are shrinking rapidly. In Asia, glaciers in the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges are under increasing stress. These glaciers are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are giant freshwater reservoirs. Millions of people depend on the water that flows from them. If these glaciers continue to melt rapidly, many regions could face severe water shortages in the future. At the same time, melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal cities and communities around the world. Conclusion. The unbearable heat waves we're experiencing across Pakistan, Europe, China, Iran, and the United States are not isolated events. They are warning signs. The Earth is telling us that our climate is changing, and the choices we make today will determine what kind of world future generations inherit. The question is no longer, is the planet warming? The evidence is all around us. The real question is, what are we going to do about it? Because the clock is ticking, and the future of our planet depends on the actions we take today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest upcoming videos. The video world.